Hi, I'm Wardy. This is Wardy's World. And this is the day before the big engineering bridge test. Yes, it's an all-girls school and I have 20 budding engineers here. We've built bridges. Lots of bridges. We've got big bridges. We've got little bridges. We've got fancy bridges. We've got traditional power truss bridges. I'm excited because these girls reckon that these bridges are going to have a performance index of up to 1,000. What does that mean? That means that if the mass of this bridge is 60 grams, it's going to be able to hold 60 kilograms. Let's wait and see. Anyway, what we're going to do, we've got a special jig next door and we're going to load them up. It's going to be spectacular. And the question is, would you walk across a bridge built by one of these girls? There's one of our engineering girls students right now behind you. Antonia, have a look. Turn around, please. Say
Hey! I'm very excited about this bridge contest tomorrow. It's going to be awesome.
Okay. Thank you. Now, Wardy's World isn't just this room. Check this out. The workshop's next door. And there are all my engineering girls. They're not very responsive today because they are excited about what's about to happen. Okay. This is the nerve centre of Wardy World. Check out my girl engineers. I've done the research. I've used good software, female intellect, to put this bridge together.
I don't want to answer any questions.
This is the result of software and female ingenuity. It's a bridge.
Just bending some pieces of cardboard. I don't really know what I'm doing yet. Deflecting.
Yeah.
Testing deflection in a beam. What I'm trying to do is find a ruler.
Okay, Zoe, how are you going?
I'm going good, thanks.
This is the end of, getting towards the end of your 2-year engineering technology course, and you decided to make an A-frame for your bridge. Why did you go with this type of structure instead of a more traditional Howe or Warren truss?
After conducting some research, I found that the best kind of bridge to make if making it out of balsa wood is simply an A structure, simply because you don't want any, balsa wood's very susceptible to deflection, and so if you've got a horizontal plane at the top here, it's much more likely to deflect if it's just a basic triangle.
That's fantastic, and I concur with your assumptions of A-frames. Now, may I ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
In real life, if you built this, would you be confident walking across your own bridge?
I would be, but cost-wise and cost-effectively, I wouldn't choose to make a bridge like this in real life out of different materials.
I see. Chapters, let's start with 10 kilos, put it on slowly.
Should build it up with small ones.
Slow.
This is fun.
Yeah, it'll last longer.
Stand back. Okay, small one, 2.5. You see also it could bend over this way, which means it's too high. Yeah, 2.5. So it's 12.5. Another 2.5.
Don't scream. Don't scream.
Wait. So what have we got?
Why don't we put less at the start?
It's fun.
Okay.
Don't scream.
Is that less?
So that took 25. That took 28.4 kilos. We've got 20. Hang on. Hold it. Don't support it. Just let it go. All right. All right. So that's past, girls. That's past the student point. Gonna have minimal effect. All right. I've got 5. Carefully. Careful. Right. 2.5. I can feel them breaking, guys.
Oh, I'm so proud.
Right, another one, please.
Yeah, a little one.
Be careful and when it breaks.
Okay,
Yeah, quick before it breaks.
Nah, that's dead.
I'm sorry.
Let's all wait for it.
We just make that.
Yep. And that was a close break.
Perfect. That was really well made. Well done, guys. Beautiful.
What was that?
Hang on.
That was a really beautiful break.
Well done, Aileen.
Zoe, you happy with your bridge?
I'm happy.
I feel bad. I'm not a good
Girls are spinning.
Well, there you have it. The A-frames are the winners. The winning performing index with our very competitive young female engineers here was a performance index of 695. That means that her bridge held 690 times greater mass than the mass of the bridge. Well done. The A-frames won. Do you know why? I do.